get a knowledge graph for yourself for your name. Part 2. Guys, you can see this is my name, Varun Kumar Riat, and this is the knowledge graph which is coming up right now. Here I have the LinkedIn address, here I have my upwork, here is it Instagram, here it is YouTube channel, here it is website, and here it is Facebook and Quora. So guys, this is a 5-minute tutorial. You can see it, I type in my name and my knowledge graph is coming up. So this is very exciting, guys. This one is being taken from YouTube, this one is being taken from Instagram, this one is being taken from the website, which is right now not operational. It has expired. So this is how it will take the data from different places and you will get a knowledge graph for yourself. It will be a proud thing for everyone. It is very difficult also. Celebrities have knowledge graphs. Not people don't get the knowledge graph so easily. So these are the things which you have to do. Create authoritative